Everybody jump, man. Jump.
Do it?
Just jump. Everybody. Everybody jump already, man. Just jump.
I know, I'm afraid. No, onto the rope.
Greetings. Shalom. You know, it's a beautiful day. It's your boy Linda. I am the man, though. Hey, we just got up. We about to go get it in. This day 4, I think. Right? I got up, got my workout in. Now we about to go eat some food. I don't think we ain't pulled into port yet, but we out here. About to go eat some food. It's another day. We going on the beach again. My wife picked 2 days on the beach. So I can't even step. I really want to step, but I can't even step. Bring your card, because I might lose you, because you know, I might walk off on you. But that's what it is, guys. Day 4. Tap in. Trust me, you're going to enjoy the day. I don't know what the whole day entails, but if I'm in it, it's going to be a beautiful day. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. It's your boy Linda, and I am the man. Washi.
Yummy. Good morning. Yes, try your breakfast.
Good time, y'all. About that time. We in the dock. About to go meet up at our location we're supposed to meet up. Yeah. I don't know. It's in my book bag.
Walk down the stairs. Well, you just need to walk together with the crew here from the theater because they won't take you there. You have to go all the way to meet them.
Hey, somebody lost their phone, y'all. We're gonna make our excursion. We have to come back on the ship. Go search for their phone. No, now we walking 100 miles per hour. Look at it. We busy out here. Deep, boy. Look at here. Well, look at yard, man. No one. I forgot that. Yes, brother.
Hey, buddy. You ready for this, brother?
Ready for it. Yeah, man.
Oh my God, I feel much better. My name is Lester. Okay? Remember, I'm your tour guide, best friend, and babysitter. Are you going to take us on town center, straight to French Key, and bring us exactly back to this place? Gordo, a la 1:40. Mi hermana también.
Monkeys right there.
You gotta be careful with those animals. When you're doggy. Something that was like for $30 French key. We are not allowed to go on that side. If you decide to go on that side,
That's okay.
that's the boat that we're gonna use for snorkel or boat ride, okay? That one with black and blue. And white cup. Now guys, listen up. See my name Lester.
Hello.
These guys with the white shirt, those are the waitress them. I'm not too close to guys to tell you guys the lunch is ready. Those guys gonna let you know, okay?
We'll wait. Okay. Thank you. Life, huh? Live life, my girl. Sure. Queen Shem. The man and the queen of the Chambers Empire now. Yeah. We're gonna let them see what's going on though. We got an island to ourselves. Do whatever we want to eat, or whatever we want to do, eat what we want to eat, drink what we want to drink. That's it. It's ours for the day. Yes, sir. Now we got an island all to ourselves. I'm about to name it Orlando Island. Now what I mean,
Why you running into people? Lord, am I running into people?
I'm gonna take that as a sign. I ain't gonna come too far with my phone up. Turn around right here.
If you use this, you probably get, if you go on top of it, you probably can see because the water's pretty clear.
Good job. Good job.
Nice, his little French key.
Where's little French key?
Over on that side.
Beautiful view, guys. Beautiful view. Oh, this like you sure just chilling, ain't you? All right. Get your chill on, then. Get your chill on. Nigga, you keep going to the same things. Come on, let's walk the place. Should tour out the place, I know. Little tour. No, sir. I turn back road. Trust this. Natural, see? Yellow butt got scared. What's this fence for? I didn't know what it was. All I saw in my peripheral was something. We're supposed to be exploring shit over here under
I have to take breaks.
Virgin. Let's go.
You got me walking so far. Oh, look at that blue. Where that blue come from? Why so blue right there?
I don't know. It had something to do with the rocks or something. Some form of mineral or something. Something like that. So we decided to leave everybody and just tour around, right? Everybody's over there, just laying in the water, being lazy. We over here touring. We gonna tour over here. We tourists, right? So as tourists, you tour. We definitely not on the trail though. This is the trail. Follow the rope, Shamika. Sheesh. Look at that crab. Watch your crab. Look at that crabby. Look right there. It's scuba diving right there. I don't want to go there. It looks dangerous. I don't know what this is supposed to be. Las Unas, living on the Caribbean coast of Central America. These black communities, commonly called Garifuna, are black Carib, or as they refer to themselves as Garnagu. The Garnagu are the descendants of Caribs, Indians, and black African slaves. The Caribs were originally indigenous people from South America. They spoke the Arawak Indian language and are believed to have left the Orinoco jungles of Venezuela to settle in the Caribbean. They inhabit various Caribbean islands, but were later pushed out by European colonists and were able to keep on only 2 islands, Dominica and St. Vincent. So yeah, this where the black Africans, and this I guess is what it looked like. I see it. I don't know what's going on with this bed.
You said this where the black Africans were?
Yeah, the Arawak, Carib Indians.
You don't have one there?
Speak up, be quiet. Be quiet. Yeah. Las Grafunas. Big up on yourself, man. You know some Jamaican thing here. Say lunch is ready. So it look like Jamaican rice and peas. See that?
Oh, that smells good.
Feel like I'm being Jamaican food. Okay.
Chicken with onion?
Oh, no.
No? For you, ma'am?
Is that what?
Rice and peas, please.
Welcome to Honduras.
Welcome to Honduras.
More?
A little bit more.
Okay.
Food we eat. Thank you.
Can I taste a little piece of the fish?
Little piece? Shane? Shane, like this?
And a little gravy on it?
Yeah.
Got some chicken and fish. No, I don't eat meat, so. It's kind of low. I ain't got no fork.
You trust them and not eat iguana?
We're gonna see if this rice tastes like Jamaican rice.
It tastes pretty good.
I don't know if I put sauce on it. I'm gonna go without the sauce. It's not bad,
It ain't not like
but it ain't
Jamaica,
Jamaican. This is good. Okay.
I'm enjoying it better than Cozumel.
I'm used to short people. We're sitting pretty low. Why are you sweating underneath your neck?
I thought it was water. It's sweat.
I don't know. All right, y'all. We had to pay to go to this island. We about to see some lions or something like that. I ain't doing nothing. Shamika really doing everything. All right. Travel from over there. All right. All right, we on the other side, y'all. Oh, yeah, look better. Yeah, eventually. Eventually, yeah. What's up, boss? Our tour guide tried to scam us, guy. Now he ain't gonna get no tip. He double charged us. Dude says no such thing. You gotta pay when we come over there.
It's $10
And
extra.
he doubled up the money. See, now he ain't gonna get no tip. I had a good tip for him, man.
I actually like ugly.
Y'all don't like ugly. Alright, so we on the other side, y'all. Okay. What kind of birds are those? Sure, you're me, my girl. What's up, that chair? No chair, not too big for you, because I know you can't feel the mean. Same way. Queen Chem. What you say? Oh, you taking a picture? Oh, no, we're recording the video, baby. Got a pig in the water. What the heck you doing with the pig? These things will chase you. That boy knocked out. Still can't find a white lion, y'all. Look at that. What the heck are those? What's up, boss? This is where the lion is?
Yeah, she's in there.
Oh. There you go. Shmika, here you go. I look bored. I don't know where Shmika went. It don't make no sense. Both of us getting beat up now. Y'all good? You sure is brave. Hold on, what you doing? Oh no, I ain't touching that. You're bright. No one. I'm good. Shmika, no touch that one. Nah. Not me. Not me.
She's really jungle, man.
Man, I'm mad. What are they? Good. I'm straight. I'm straight. What's up, Sephora? Come on. Better than me. I ain't touching it. Sephora look bored. Bored? Yeah, I'm bored, man. I was sleeping. She don't have no babies?
No. She did what I said she was a baby.
That's why.
She was 2 months old when we got her.
That's why.
She was rescued from a circus.
It's the other side of the island, guys. Well, it's a walk road. Let's move around and see how man.
Lando, if they got a door, you just run up the stairs and walk.
Me not play with them something, they smart, you know? A cat, you know?
Oh, I gotta let my baby
Alright, y'all, we about to go back to the other side of the island.
dip in the water a little bit.
The rich
you know?
people there, you know, wherever we at, it's the rich people. You know what I mean?
Yeah, we a little bit more private. They got a little too much going on. Too many people here.
Big tune. Bop, 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 bop.
Just sitting out of water for about 20 minutes.
Let's go. Let's go. Yeah.
Take my shoes, take the shoes off, Shmika. Take the shoes off.
Is it really that far?
It's not deep at all. She's making me look bad right now.
Oh my
Go ahead, jump off, man.
How are you up here?
I'm not gonna
I know.
You jump. Did you jump yet?
Everybody jump, man. Jump.
do it.
Just jump.
No,
Everybody,
I don't want that rope. I'm just gonna
everybody jump already, man. Just jump.
do the rope. I know, I'm afraid.
No, don't do the rope.
It's hard. Okay, yeah.
You have to run. You have to run.
No.
Yeah, run a little bit.
Go. I know, pues.
All right, we're going back to our island, guys. Look at that. It's not even that high, right? I don't know.
You tired? Rudy boy.
Get out of the way, move.
All right, guys, time to go. The boat might leave us because I don't know what she's doing. Any day now. She got outfits for days. Boy, she changed it up. I got on the same outfit I came here with. See, I dress simple, you know. Swim trunks. Whatever I wore here, I'm wearing it back. You know? I see slow pull back in the orange. Slow. I don't know what you're watching. You asking too much questions. You gotta keep your stuff together, Shem.
Blue underneath represent the Atlantic Ocean. Middle, which is white, represent peace. 5-star represent the 5 Republic sisters. Honduras, Guatemala, Costa Rica, El Salvador, and Nicaragua. That's the 5 Republic sisters. Like for us, Honduranians to go to any one of these other countries.
Pepsi. Yep.
So that broke off.
Oh wow, how did that happen? Missionaries.
You guys, thank you for coming. Had a great time with you. Come back again. As for Lester, the guy who ruled the whole island, just kidding with that, okay? Have a safe trip and God bless you all. Please watch your head and your feet once you get out for this bus. If you guys really enjoy the tour, do you think that we deserve a tip? I won't say no, I say yes, okay? Remember, the US came through there. No, you're gonna go through a sack on that spot, okay? Gift shops, restaurant, everything is on that side.
Back. You know what that was. You know what that was. Speak, what are you doing? He's just walking around in circles. What you doing? Oh. See, she found you. You listen, you got good ears.
I had a whole piece of red supper, a big piece. The rest. I mean, it was just like green color, but the rest,
Oh, that's their boat.
Oh my goodness.
All right, y'all, we about to sample some more food. You know, I'm a foodie. So we're gonna eat some food. We right on the port, on the pier. We might taste some food. We're gonna see what it's about. Go be. All right. Oh yeah. A lot of mercy. A lot of mercy. Nice. Big fish.
Rice tastes like Jamaican rice. Yeah.
I might as well play this.
For the moment, the watermelon is gone. You want to bring it in cold?
Alright, that's cool. So no more watermelon. Didn't stand no chance. Alright. Very good. My people, they're my Jamaican, you know. I don't care what nobody says. How you doing? Back on the ship we go. Whew. Hey. Dinner time. Dinner time, y'all. Yeah, I know. All we've been doing is eating. I know that's what y'all saying. Hey, so what? That's what you work out for. I work out so I can eat what I want to eat. That's one of the main reasons. Everybody go eat again, dinner time. Even though we did just eat by maybe like, how long ago we ate? 2 hours ago? 3 hours ago?
Yeah.
It's good enough. Yeah. We're about to go eat. Well, what you got shades on for, Orlando? Because I want to. I like it. I like my shades. Check my shades out though, man. I'm gonna tell y'all where I got it from in a few. I gotta get a link or something. I get like some form of promotion or incentive or something. They fly though.
Can we go?
Let's go. I'm waiting on you, girl. Let's go, Miss Chambers. Mrs. Chambers. Come on, no one. See what I'm saying?